Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Today is Thursday, the 5th of June. It was an icy morning this morning. Temperatures as cold as -7 degrees in parts of New South Wales, -5 degrees in parts of Victoria and South Australia, even about 0 degrees in parts of Queensland, and we'll be holding on to icy temperatures again tomorrow on Friday, particularly under this high pressure area for Queensland and New South Wales. Elsewhere across the south of the country, South Australia, Victoria, Tasmania, it's also wintry, but a bit of a different feel with stronger winds and some rain moving through there. Meanwhile, across the north and out to the west, it is settled and sunny. Let's fly around the country looking at Friday's forecast. Another cold morning for the southern inland of Queensland. Temperatures approaching 0 degrees in some areas again. Likely to be some frost again on Friday morning. Away from that, it is going to be a fine day. Just a touch cooler than average, but clear, settled and sunny across the state. Widespread frost once again across New South Wales. Some of these coastal places actually will probably have their coldest morning of the year. 3 degrees in Maitland, 5 in Newcastle, 6 in Sydney as we begin the day. So a real chill in the air first thing. It will warm up into the teens, but not particularly warm. In the far west of New South Wales, some cloud and a few patchy showers are expected to develop after lunch, but rainfall will be scattered and light. Down in Victoria though, more significant rain gets going in the west here during the morning. Showers spreading through all western areas before lunch, including for some of those dry spots in the north and northwest of the state. Rainfall totals won't be a massive, but there will be a little bit of useful rain there, perhaps 2 to 10 millimetres for some of those areas. In Melbourne and eastern parts, a little bit of rainfall is possible after lunch, probably not a lot, and even if it doesn't rain much, it will get windy, cloudy and grey, so still feeling quite wintry throughout the state. Down in Tasmania, cold, frosty but dry through the morning, but we will see that rain arrive, especially after lunch. Most of the wet weather pushing into the north of the state from Burnie across to Launceston, and there could be some heavy showers there as we approach Friday evening. For the southern half of Tasmania, just a couple of showers as the day comes to a close, but do get set for quite a wintry weekend. It's windy, it's cold, and likely to be rainy across many parts of the state. We'll also see some rain in South Australia on Friday, especially through the morning across all of these southern agricultural areas down through here. When it comes to rainfall amounts, the heaviest falls likely to be along the Limestone coast, where we could see 20 millimetres, maybe a touch more. Other spots it's more in that 2 millimetre to 10 millimetre range, but whatever can fall will be useful. North of Port Augusta, just a light shower or two, but mostly dry. And out to the west, after the showers, storms earlier on in the week, the settled clear weather has really set back in here for Friday. Very little rainfall, maybe the lightest touch along the south coast. Away from that, it is a fine day and honestly mostly sunny and very calm as well. Some cold mornings, but still mild daytime highs. Even in the north, we see a few spots in the single digits through the morning, but back into the mid-20s for the day. And rainfall here is pretty scarce. There might be a shower or two around Arnhem Land and maybe around the Broome coastline as well. Away from that, it is dry, clear and fine with some southeasterly winds pushing across the map. Stay up to date through the Bureau's website and app. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.